Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can make your own sound on TikTok. So what you want to do first is go to YouTube and type in copyright free music. This way you won't be sued if you used any music coming from YouTube. So you could just then choose whatever music you want to use. For example, I'm just going to choose this one. And what you want to do here next is to record your screen along with the audio. So you can use whatever recording device that you have or the built-in recorder on your iPhones. So right now I'm just using the built-in recorder and I'm just going to record this, for example. Once that is recorded, just go to your TikTok profile and tap on the plus icon. Tap on upload on the lower right. And here you just want to choose the video that you recorded earlier with the audio. Tap on next. Next. And just post the video. And you want to make sure that this is set to everyone. And then just post. Alright, so as you can see here, the video is posted. Exit TikTok and just go back to your TikTok profile. And here, when I click on the video that I posted, I'm just going to tap on this lower right icon right here. And here I can use the sound, edit the name or the title of the sound, and I can even add it to my favorites. So if I tap on use this sound, as you can see, it's already up there. It's able to be used and I could just record whatever and the sound will attach to it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped and we will see you in the next video.